Right, so if your car already has the DAB aerial, all you need to do is find the plug. In this case, it's this black Facra. In Ford, VW, it's usually a black Facra like this. So you know that's the DAB aerial. It's usually black or brown. In this end, it's brown. And it's usually this Facra. Sometimes it's a different connector type. Mitsubishi, etc. have a different one than Facra, but we usually can send the right adapter for that. So it's already got the DAB aerial. You found the plug, it's this one. You just need to connect with Facra. The ridges are in the wrong place on this one at the moment. It's the best one I can find, the closest one I can find. I haven't found the exact one for this. So it feels like it's not going to go in because it looks like the ridges are in the wrong place. But all you have to do is literally just push it in. So just force it in and it will go in 100%. I know it feels like it won't, but you just push it in. Or you can just trim the extra edge, but yeah, really you can just push it in. It's really not a problem. Right, so that's pushed in. The other end just screws onto your DAB Plus receiver, which is here. You'll always get a windscreen aerial free, but if your car's already got a DAB aerial, just take this out and you're just going to use this part. Okay. Let's take both ends off like that. And we're just going to screw that end on here. And the other end we're going to plug into one of the USB ports, which I've just put here. So we're going to plug into that as well. And that's it. So once you've got this plugged in, you can install a DAB app on the screen. The next part of this video is going to show which app we use, or how to do that. You just download an app off the Play Store. If your car doesn't have a DAB aerial, then you do have to use this one. You open it up, take this A-pillar trim off, and you need to stick it down. It's very important to stick it down on the metal and this black rim part. So it has to be stuck, the black tape has to be stuck down on that. That's what grounds it properly, so it's very important. If you're getting bad signal, you want to make sure it's definitely taped down properly. Don't cut any of the tape, just stick it down correctly and you'll get the best signal you possibly can. Just a last note, on the last installation, you saw the DAB going into the glove box. That was just to show you how it connects. Of course, normally you should plug it in behind the screen. Just have it still like that and straight to the DAB Plus receiver, which is connected to the DAB aerial, which is that one and this one. So that's as simple as it is. Just leave it plugged in behind the screen. Okay, so DAB. If your car already has a DAB aerial, you can usually patch it in to the DAB Plus box, and then you can get your DAB here. If it doesn't have a DAB aerial, use a windscreen aerial, which is one of these. Sticks up on the windscreen like that. That runs into one of the USB ports on the unit. Either way, you'll get DAB. We'll use the DAB Z app, which is this one. We found that to be the best one. There are others you can try. So to do that, you would connect your unit to internet briefly. Your Wi-Fi, turn your Wi-Fi on, connect it to the internet. After you've done that, you can sign into Play Store here. You can see, download, install the DAB Z app, which is here. We've dropped it. You can drag it and drop it here, or you can just set it here as the main widget on the home screen. That's what we like to do, because then it integrates with CarPlay better. DAB Z. Once it's there, you can scan it like this, import the logos there. You're good to go.